You can use any one of them. For example, here we have, okay, here we have, let's do first numerical problems. Okay, let's start doing the doing one or two questions from this one, then we shall be going to start. Here we have x plus y is equals to 14 and x minus y is equals to 4. So what can be the values of x and y? Without solving, let me know the answer. What can be the values of x and y, so that you plus them, you will get 14, you subtract them, you get 4. Please tell me what can be the values of x and y. Just use your mind and tell me what can be the values of x and y. Here we have a question that x plus y is equals to 14 and x minus y is equals to 4. So what you can do here is that you can add these two. आप दोनों इक्वेशन को ऐड कर दीजिए. When you add the equations, this will get plus, this is also plus. So when you add these two equations, this plus y and minus y will get cancelled out, and you will get x plus x, you will get 2x is equals to 14 plus 4, you will get 18. So here you will get x is equals to 9, and here is this x minus y is equals to 4. Okay, and you can put the values of x in this equation and you can get the value of y also. You can 9 minus y is equals to 4. Yes, you got the answer. Very good, very good. So you can put the values, y, bring the y to that side and bring the 4 to that side. You will get y will get plus, y is equals to 9 minus 4, then you will get y is equals to 5. So this is a simple pair of linear equation that you need to solve like this way. Okay, let's move to the next question and let's try doing this next one. So here we have, first you need to take the LCM here in this case, in such type of questions, if you are going to have such type of equations. So what you need to do here is that you need to first take the LCM, means common LCM, and then whatever the LCM come here, you have to send it to for the multiplication to the with this x. So आप इस इक्वेशंस को भी सॉल्व करके दिखाइए, मेरे को बताइए आंसर क्या आएगा. If I'm writing x s minus t and do question number 2, then I'm going to help you.
Sir, S is 9.
S is 9. Okay, then t would be,
T
according
would
to
be
you,
6.
t would be 6. 6. Okay,
Yes, sir.
3 divided by 3, and yes, it is correct. Yes, it is correct. Okay, do question number third here. 3x minus y is equals to 3 and 9x minus y is equals to 9. Find their values. Do question number third. You can solve this questions. अगर किसी को नहीं आया तो आप solve कर सकते हैं इस तरह से. You have to take the LCM here, take the LCM 6 here, so you have to multiply it by 3. Sorry, take the LCM 6, so you have to multiply it by 2, you have to multiply it by 2 plus 2 into 3, 3 into t is equals to 6. You can write here 2s by 6 plus 3t by 6 is equals to 6, and this 6 will goes to that side. 2s plus 3t is equals to 2s plus 3t is equals to 36. Then you can get the values. You can solve this by using the elimination method further. Okay, are you doing question number third? अगर किसी को नहीं आ रहा तो please let me know. Okay, okay. What I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm asking that do question number third.
Okay, sir.
Are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which one you are doing? Question number third.
Yes, sir. I don't know.
Okay. So let's do this one. 3x minus 3x minus y. So these, you see that here in this case, when we have this such equations, that if you multiply it by 3, the whole equation will become exactly same the above the first one. So in that case, we will consider that y is equals to 0 and x is also equals to 0. So for the equations, for example, if you are going to have this value, okay, and when you multiply this one, you will get 9x. When you multiply this number, you will get minus 3x, and when you multiply this number, you will get minus 9, and this will become exactly same the above one. So in that case, when we are going to have in that conditions, we will simply consider that x is equals to 0, or yeah, we can simply say that it is not defined values, okay, infinite values, because this is the case where a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. So in that case, we are going to have the infinitely many solutions. It means x and y can have the infinite many solutions. There can be so many values of x and y. Okay, so in that case, if we have this values, or you can simply say that, got my point, or still having some doubt?
Uh,
Okay.
yes, sir. Can you actually
Yeah,
repeat it again?
yeah, why not? Why
Yeah,
not?
I didn't
So
understand.
if I'm saying this one, that if I'm saying this one, that if you have, wait a minute. So if you have some values, like you have the equation x minus 3y is equals to 3. Another equation, you have 3x minus 9y is equals to 9. So you see that the above equations, in that case, the above equation is exactly same. If you multiply this equation by 3, so you will get 3x minus 9y is equals to 9, because this 3 will multiply with this one, and this one. So in that case, this will become 3. It will be the same as exactly same the equations, this one. जितनी जैसी ये equations है वैसे ही ये हो जाएगी. So we can simply say that in that case we have the same equations as the above one. Okay, now finally we can say that 3x minus 9y is equals to 9, and when you make the above equations and the lower equations is same, so दिस इज सेम. सो व्हेन यू सब्ट्रैक्ट एनीवन, या आप इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं अगर आप, तो सारा ही जीरो हो जाएगा. मतलब आप यहाँ पर प्लस साइन है, आप ऊपर वाली से नीचे वाली को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए. So when you are subtracting, this will become negative, this will become positive, this will become negative. So whole the equation will get cancelled out and you will going to get nothing. So we can simply say that it here the x and y value is not defined, not defined values. Okay, so when we are going to have the case like a1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2 equal c1 upon c2, like in these equations we have x minus 3y is equals to 3, and another one we have 3x minus 9y is equals to 9. So if you take this one is 1, so 1 upon 3 and minus 1 minus 3 upon 1 upon 3 minus 3 upon 9 is equals to minus 3 upon 3. So you can get cancelled out, ये cancel out हो जाएगा, and we can simply say that 1 upon 3 is equals to 1 upon 3 is equals to 1 upon 3. Done. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move further to
Sir,
the next.
can I write it 1 second?
Yeah, you can.
Done, sir.
Okay, so do the next question. Here it is. Do question number 9. Sorry, question number 5th. What will be the value of x and y? Are you solving?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So when we have such part like we have C0. So here we have A1 means if we have something like 0 means C part C1, C1 and C2. Here there is no means the constant is 0. So in that case, we can simply say that the value of x and y would be x is equals to 0 and y is also equals to 0. Means here like we have the constant number 6 here, 3 here, C1 and C2 are there, C1 and C2, C1 and C2. But in this case, C1 and C2s are 0. So when C1 and C2s are 0, we can simply say that x and y would be equivalent to 0. Got my point? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Without
Yes,
solving,
sir.
without solving, you can solve this one. Do question number 6. Okay, Tanishka has done. Okay, so how can we solve this problem? Here what you need to do here is, again you can do, either you can put the values, options में आपके पास आएंगे, you can put the values and check it. If both LHS and RHS are equal, then it will be. Otherwise you have to solve these equations. How can you solve these equations? Simple, that choose a number that is, first try a number that is exactly divisible by, ऐसे नंबर को चूज कीजिए that is exactly divisible by 2 and 3. अब पुट कीजिए, करके देखिए. ओके, व्हेन यू हैव डन दिस वन, अगर आपने इस तरह से किया तो मतलब बहुत आसानी हो जाएगी. डिनोमिनेटर में जो नंबर है दैट इज 2 and 3, हम लोग इसको एक शॉर्टकट तरीके से पहले सॉल्व करके देखते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद अगर नहीं हुआ तो फिर विल चूज. तो चूज अ नंबर व्हिच इज एक्जेक्टली divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, so when you choose, like you choose 6 is that number that is exactly divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, so put that value here. Okay, let's put that value here. So when you multiply this number by 2, means you have to bring this number to -2. So put that values like this way. को पुट करनी होगी और इस तरह से अरेंज करके देखना होगा कि क्या करें. तो आपको पता भी है कि अगर यहाँ पर ये 3 हो जाए और ये -5 हो जाए तो आपके पास आंसर आ जाएगा -2. So by what number should you multiply this x so that it become 3? So you have to multiply it by 2. मतलब आप यहाँ पर नीचे 2 से कर दीजिए, 2 से 2 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पर ये पूरा 3 ही बचेगा. और यहाँ पर नीचे 5 × 3/3 कर दीजिए. सो ये -5 इज इक्वल टू -2. तो x की वैल्यू अगर आपने 2 रखी और y की वैल्यू -3 रखी, सॉरी 3 रखी है, सो इन दैट केस यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y. फिर आप एक बार और क्रॉस चेक कर लीजिए नीचे वाली इक्वेशन में रख करके कि x की वैल्यू है हमारे पास 2/3 एंड y की वैल्यू है हमारे पास 3/2, दैट इज शुड बी इक्वल टू 13/6. So let's do this one. So you can check this one. आप इस तरह से चेक कर सकते हैं. So you will get here 4/6. 4/6 plus 9 is equal to 13/6. Okay, now done. This is done. Okay, another method is that you have to take the LCM first. आप LCM लीजिए 3x minus 5y minus 2 upon 2 upon 3. Then you have to take the LCM here. 3, then 3, then 2, then 2. Then you will get 9x upon 6. 9x upon -5 to the 10y is equals to -2. So you will get 9x minus 10y is equals to -6 to the 12. Okay, now you will get this value. Okay, now here you have to find out this one. X upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equals to 13/6. So when you multiply this one by 3, you have to multiply 3 into 2 into 2. sorry नीचे आपको इधर 3 से नहीं, इधर 2 से into 3 into 3. So you have to write here 6 upon 2x plus 3y is equals to 13/6. You can cancel out 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. Okay, so 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. Now you have to solve this pair of linear equations. आपको कोई एक इक्वेशंस में से एलिमिनेट करना होगा. एलिमिनेशन मेथड्स में हम लोग को क्या करना होता है, यू हैव टू डू वन थिंग. ओके, क्या करना होगा, दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आइदर यू मेक इट 10 और इसको आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. सो मतलब दोनों को आपको कॉमन करना होता है, किसी एक को कॉमन करना होता है. मींस व्हाट यू नीड टू डू हियर इज दैट आइदर मेक, मींस किसी एक को बराबर करना होगा. तो यहाँ पर आपके पास 2 है, ऊपर 9 है, तो आइदर यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन बाय 9 एंड ऊपर वाली को 2 से, पूरी इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. ओके, सो लेट्स डू दिस वन. हम लोग करते हैं इसको कैसे करना है. ठीक है, लेट्स डू दिस क्वेश्चन. और किसी से नहीं हुआ था ये क्वेश्चन?
No, I couldn't do it, sir.
You did on
No, I couldn't do it.
okay, let's do this one. So let's do it properly on the there on the slides. Okay, so that is 3x minus 2 minus 5y. Let's me do this one. 3x minus 2 minus 5y upon 3 that is 3x minus 5y on 2, and the second one equation is, second equation क्या थी, 2x sorry x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equals to 13, is equals to 13 upon 6. Okay, so you have to solve these equations. So how can you solve these equations? Let's do this one. Okay, we have these two methods. सबसे पहला मेथड हमारे पास होता है कि जो मैंने आपको बताया है कि उस मेथड में आप सिंपली क्या कर सकते हैं, you have to do one thing here, that put the values. Just imagine what value should you put, कि आप क्या करें जो -2 आ जाए. तो आपको पता है कि 3 में से 5 को माइनस करेंगे, 3 minus 5 you will get 2 -2. ओके, सो यहाँ पर इसको x की क्या वैल्यू पुट करें जो ये पूरी वैल्यू 3 हो जाए, y की वैल्यू क्या पुट करें जो ये वैल्यू पूरी 5 हो जाए. सो दैट इज, आप x की वैल्यू 2 पुट कर दीजिए यहाँ पर. सो 3 into 2 upon 2 minus 5 into 3 upon 3 minus 5 into 3 upon 3 is equals to -2. कैंसिल आउट कर दीजिए, आंसर आ जाएगा 3 minus 5 is equals to -2. आंसर आ गया. सो यहाँ पर इस तरह से आंसर आ जाएगा. उसके बाद अगर हम बात करते हैं तो here we have, this is okay, so here we have, this is 2, this is 2, this is 3, this is 3. ओके, तो यू कैन राइट इट 2x अपॉन, अब चाहे तो आप x और y की वैल्यूज पुट करके यहाँ पर निकाल दीजिए, चेक करेंगे तो आंसर आ जाएगा. लेकिन अभी हम लोग को क्या करना है कि अभी हम लोग को जो जेन्युइन मेथड है उसको उससे कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे हम लोग को, वी हैव टू डू दिस वन. सो वी कैन डू दिस वन बाय यूजिंग सिंपल इक्वेशंस, बाय सिंपल एलिमिनेशन मेथड. एंड हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशंस? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू मेक इट्स, मतलब एक लीनियर इक्वेशंस में बनाएंगे हम लोग विदाउट डिनोमिनेटर. सो वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई दिस वन बाय 3, also by 3, this one by 2, so this one also by 2. You can write it 9x minus 10y upon 6 is equals to -2. Means this 6 and 6 will comes in the denominator, so you can write it like this way, and this still 6 will goes to that side, will become minus of 12. This will be 9x minus 10y. This is our first equation. Now make the second equation again by using simple denominator method. आपको हटाना होगा यहाँ से, तो take the LCM again 6, you have to multiply it by 2, you have to multiply this one also by 2, you have to multiply this one by 3 also by 3. So अब नीचे भी 6 आ जाएगा, 6 और ऊपर हमारे पास 2x plus 3y is equals to 13 by 6. Now 6 will get cancelled out. You can write it 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. This is second. Now write it down, 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. And what you need to do here is this. Now अभी यहाँ पर आपके पास कोई भी चीज सेम नहीं है, ना ही तो x सेम है ना ही y सेम है. This is minus 10y, this is plus 3y, this is. So what you need to do here is you can eliminate one. किसी एक को आप eliminate कर लीजिए. अब या तो आप 9 को सॉरी x को eliminate कर लीजिए या फिर आप y को eliminate कर दीजिए, जो भी आपका दिल चाहे उसको eliminate कर दीजिए. So let's do कि हम लोग करते हैं y को eliminate. y को eliminate करने के लिए आपको y को exactly same बनाना होगा, ठीक है. सो 3 को हम किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई, व्हाट इज द एलसीएम ऑफ 10 एंड 3? जब दो डिफरेंट हो जाते हैं तो हम लोग उनका एलसीएम लेते हैं और उसी के रेस्पेक्टिव में पूरी इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव 30 एलसीएम, 10 एंड 3 का एलसीएम जो होता है वो 30 होता है. सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन बाय 3 एंड दिस इक्वेशन बाय 10. नीचे वाले को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे and this equation whole by 3. Why we are multiplying? So that y and y will become equal. So when they become equal, so they can be easily eliminated. So when you multiply this one, you will get 27x minus 30y is equals to 3 minus 36. Then you have to write here 10 to the 20x plus 30y is equals to 130. So when you have the same, जब भी आपके पास सेम अपोजिट साइंस के आ जाए तो सिंपल आपको ऐड करना होगा। अगर सेम साइन के आते, सपोज कीजिए कि ऐसे आते -30y -30y, देन इन दैट केस आपको पूरी इक्वेशन को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ता है ताकि साइन अपोजिट होने चाहिए। तो पूरी इक्वेशन को वो भी हम लोग देखेंगे कब करना होता है, लेकिन जब साइन डिफरेंट हो तो सिंपली आप ऐसे ऐड कर दीजिए। ऐड मतलब ऐड करने का मतलब है कि दोनों इक्वेशन को जब आप ऐड करेंगे तो नॉर्मली दिस 13 + 30 विल गेट कैंसिल्ड आउट, क्योंकि आप ऐड कर रहे हैं तो -30y भी एक ऑप्शन में आएगा, +30y ऑप्शन में आएगा, तो कट जाएगा। So you can add these two equations. So when you add these two equations, you will get 47x is equals to, when you subtract this one, 130 minus 136, so you will get here how much? That will be 94. So you can get here 94. So this will get cancelled out. You can write here x is equals to 2. Okay, now put this value of x in any one of the equation, you will get the value of y. Let's put this equation here, value of x in this equation. So here you put the value of x is equals to 2 plus 3y is equals to 13. Then you can get the value of 4 plus 3y is equals to 13. Then you can get 3y is equals to 13 minus 4. 3y is equals to, how much you will get? You will get 9. So y is equals to 3. Got it? How to solve this equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, copy it. Okay, please. Done? Done, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done? Have you find out the value of x and y? Still doing?
Still doing, sir.
Done. This is very simple question, bhai. Okay. Okay. So Tanishka is done.
Sir, I was asking that we have to solve question number 2 only because your voice was cracking.
Yeah. We have to do the question number 2.
Yes, sir. Then I have done.
Okay. So let's start doing this one. So what you need to do here is again, let's solve this question. 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equals to 4. So how can you solve this question by the value of x and y? देखो आपको खुद 11 का मल्टीपल दिख रहा है, so you can choose any values by yourself. यूज करेंगे माइंड को तो बहुत आसानी से कर पाएंगे. You have to choose this value. If you put the value of x and y such that the value should be positive, okay, the value should be positive. So let's do this one by using these sheets. Okay, so let's solve here. Okay, so we have 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equals to minus of 24. Okay, minus of 24. So what you need to do here is कि आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. Okay, so here we have plus, here we have also plus, and this one is same. So either make this x 2x eliminate कर दीजिए, दोनों सेम है. यहाँ पर भी 2x है, यहाँ पर भी 2x है. तो जब सेम होते हैं, पिछली दफा हम लोगों ने हमारे पास अलग अलग साइन किए थे, अपोजिट साइंस किए थे, तो हम लोगों ने सिंपली ऐड कर दिया था. लेकिन when we have the same sign, the 2x and 2x are of same sign that are positive, what you need to do here is you have to subtract the whole equations. So when you subtract the whole equation, let's suppose you have to write like this way: 3x plus 3y, and okay, what you need to do here is you have to subtract. So you have, when you are subtracting, you have to change the sign of this one. This is plus, then it will become minus. This is minus, this will become plus. And when this is 24 plus 20, sorry, minus 24, it will become plus. क्यों करा हम लोगों ने ऐसा? क्योंकि यहाँ पर दोनों प्लस साइन के थे. अगर प्लस तो प्लस एलिमिनेट नहीं हो सकते हैं, तो वी हैव टू चेंज देयर साइन. अगर हम लोग एक का साइन चेंज करते हैं तो हम लोग को सभी के साइन चेंज करने होते हैं. सो वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट दिस वन, एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. एक पॉजिटिव 2x माइनस का 2x कैंसिल आउट. हियर वी हैव प्लस 3y एंड हियर वी हैव प्लस 4y. वी विल गेट 7y एज पॉजिटिव. We have 11 and we have 24, so we have 11 and 24 will get 35 here, and this will cancel out. You will get y is equals to 7. Got it? Got it? We have the y,
Yes, sir.
y is equals to 7. Now putting the value of x and y in any one of the equations, you can find out the value of 2x plus 3 into 7 is equals to 11.
Sir, y is equal to 5.
Y is equals to 5. Okay, so equal to 3 5 are 15. Y is equals to 5. Yes, y is equals to 5. Sorry, y is equals to 5 here. Multiplied, I've put the value of 7 here. So we have to put the value here 5. Y is equals to 5. Here would be also 5. So you will get here 2x plus 15. 3 5s are 15 is equals to 11. So you'll get 2x is equals to 11 and 15. You will get minus of 4. Then you cut it. You will get x is equals to minus of 2. X is equals to minus of 2. Now you got these values. Now put the value of x and y in the equations. Whatever the equation was there, you will be able to find out the value of m also. Okay, so you have things when you put the value of y is equals to 5 is equals to m into whatever the value of x comes, you can find out the value of m also. So that's simple question. Okay, so these are the simple questions, so you can simply do this one. So what you need to do here is do question number, the difference between two number is 26 and one number is 3 times the other number. Do this question. Do question number 3 first part.
Sir, done.
Yes, what's your answer?
Sir, x is equal to 13 and y is equal to 39.
13 and 39. Yes, simple. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is the double of this one. So how can you solve this equations? Let the first number be x, the second number be y. So पहली इक्वेशन तो आप सिंपल, आप इसको दो चाहे तो लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल से कर लीजिए, चाहे तो आप इसको क्वाड्रेटिक से कर लीजिए। क्वाड्रेटिक में अच्छा यही है कि आप इसको लीनियर इक्वेशन से कर लीजिए। आप यहाँ पे लिख लीजिए इसको कि लेट द फर्स्ट नंबर बी x एंड द सेकंड नंबर बी 3 टाइम्स ऑफ x, 3 टाइम्स ऑफ x। ओके, so when you get this x plus 3x is equals to 26, sorry minus करेंगे minus, so 3x minus 2x minus x is equals to 26, so we'll get 2x is equals to 26, x is equals to 13, so x की वैल्यू 13 आ गई तो दूसरा नंबर 3 टाइम्स ऑफ x होगा, that will be 39. Simple. Do question number second third part कीजिए, सेकंड पार्ट भी कीजिए, चलिए सेकंड पार्ट भी कीजिए। Okay, done.
Second one's done, sir.
Second one done. Okay, do third one also. Supplementary angles means simple 180. Okay,
180.
the sum of two angles are okay. Do question number third part. Done, everyone. So here we have simple question. The coach of cricket teams buys 7 bets. So let the cost of the one bet be X rupees. So 7X, and that's of ball be Y rupees. So 7X plus 6Y is equals to 3,800. And the second equation would be she buys 3 bet. Let her she buys 3 bet and 5 balls for this rupees. So 3 bets and 5 balls for 750 rupees. So you have to do this by simple elimination method by making one of them common. किसी एक को common करके आपको इसको करना होगा. That we will do in the next class. Okay, and I will be going to send you some practice questions papers. Okay, so please solve that one also. Okay, so that's all for today, and we'll meet you in the next class. Okay.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Hello, Kev. Hello, Miradullah. Hello, Miraj. How are you?
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, beta. How are you? Okay. So today let's do some test. Okay. टेस्ट कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. काफी दिन से रिवाइज नहीं कराया आप लोग को. सो लेट्स डू सम टेस्ट वर्क. बताइए कौन से चैप्टर का टेस्ट लेंगे आप? जो भी आपको वेल प्रिपेयर्ड हो उसका टेस्ट दे दीजिए. बताइए, काफी दिनों से नहीं हुआ टेस्ट.